the same with the lip roll.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to do something. I still do something similar like that. But what's happened is you've elevated it to tonal and also almost like a synthesizer-y sound as opposed to just a sub.
Yeah. So I mean, you're completely correct, because there'll be 3 core elements of the sound. So you've got the kind of thing, bit synthy. You've got the sub itself.
Yeah, that's it.
And if you kind of combine them both, it goes into and that's where the synth's coming out.
Yeah.
So I'm dragging from the bottom for the sub and the top for the synthy sound.
Yeah, it's kind of like a massive FM8 kind of thing. Yeah.
There's all 3.
That's fire.
Yeah.
And that for me is definitively like what you're about, isn't it? It's not in one sound, but the mergence of different sounds that collectively, it almost becomes like a top to bottom palette. Do you know what I'm saying?
So like,
like a sound library.
I think that's so in depth. I mean, I've had thoughts to myself about, like you say, a sound library or a sound pack, and how everyone has their own. But like, as I'm going into music creation, it's stripping away. Like I've got the amazing sound pack, but there's no like stress on that. I don't need to complicate that kind of stuff. I like to use little is more at this point.
Yeah,
so like,
believe that, for real.
I've got so much sounds stored here and around.
Yeah.
But like they are like safed up right now. I don't need to use them. I like to focus on specific sounds, train them, get them in music, and then explore outside. Yeah.
The beautiful thing about that is not only do you nurture the individual sounds, but in a way they become so passing, but yet they're part of your style.